Dorud! Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel Speak Persian Now. So today I'm going to teach you the rest of the uh, Persian alphabets. So today I'm going to start with this one meme. So the big one and the small one or the connected one. So meme, but the sound is m. The sound is m. So how are you supposed to write it? So look here. Okay, look at this. Let's say letter. So we have got again a small circle and a straight line. So if you start from above, if you start on the line, the red line, so you might have a circle and go down. So that is mean. So it's not a big deal. It's like, you need just to draw a kind of circle. So a circle and this meme and the small one, the big one, we started from here. Look how we made it. The small one, we have to start from, look here, so we have to do something like this. Oh, sorry, it is a little tricky. So I may say you can draw a circle like this, and then you can continue with a straight line. So you may make a circle, small one, and then you may continue with a let's say a straight line. So I want to write the letter's name, meme. It has got two me sounds. So let's do it. Okay, this is like meme. So meme. So when they are connected, um, it is a little different from the time when they are actually isolated. So one more time. So for meme, you may start from here for the short form, go here and continue. It becomes the let's say the bigger one. So I think you can do it. It's a matter of joining a circle, a very small one, to a line. So, for example, the word mom, or we say in Persian maman, okay, mama. So let me write this one because I love my mom so much. So so let me put here, ma, man. Okay, so please follow the examples and practice. The next one is the letter which is called noon. Okay, ne sound, of course. The small ne and or the small noon and the bigger one, the capital one and the small one. So it's so simple. So it's, you need to just make a circle, semicircle like this, and then they put dot on the above. Okay, one more time, we do it like this, and the dot like this, and the dot. So this is the isolated one, or the capital one, and the small one is so simple, a straight line. And okay, one more time, straight line. Why I cannot make it? So straight, yeah. So from here, okay, from top you come down to the left and the dot. So that is ne. Like the word numerous. The next one in this category is called, the letter is called vav. The sound is like v, okay, like wallet, for example. So how do you write it again? You start from above the red line and you form a circle and a curvy line, but it must be connected. Yes, so it is just like maybe the number 9 in English, but a little different. So like this, one more time, like this. So it is pretty simple. So you start from above the red line and with a small circle, and then you come down. The next letter is he sound, like hot, huh? So it is like, right again, like forming a circle, but a little curvy one. A little curvy one, okay? So if you follow the examples here, you can do it perfectly. So I keep it up to here. So the letters that we learned today were mim or me sound, nun or ne sound, v like the word wallet, he like hot. So see you next time. Bye bye.